welcome back to Dee's Kitchen. So today we are going to fix lobster tails in the oven. So for this recipe you need lobster tails, which I have two humongous lobster tail. Two of them. You would need butter and OB season. Let's get started. So first off, we're gonna start by breaking the back of the lobster tail. Be very careful because they will stick you. These things right here, those things, they will stick you, so be very careful. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna break the back. So when I mean break the back, I'm gonna just take it, my two thumbs, and push down on the inside of them until they crack. Once you do that, you're good. Next, I'm going to take my kitchen shears and I'm going to cut down the middle. Very tough. Okay. And I'm just going to take the meat out. Oof. Ooh, be very careful. And I'm just gonna set it on top of the shell like that. Like that. And I'm going to do the other one. So I'm gonna break the back. Take your kitchen shears and cut it. And the meat should just come right on out. There you go. So next you're just gonna lay them in your pan. I'm just gonna wash my hands. And I'm gonna take pieces of butter and lay it on top. And I'm gonna take my Old Bay season and I'm just gonna sprinkle a little on top. And I'm going to place it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. My oven is preheated on 350. So we're gonna just place it in the oven. So we place those in the oven and we're gonna allow those to cook for about, like I said, 20-25 minutes. And my oven is preheated at 350 degrees. Our lobster tails has been cooking for about 20 minutes. So we're just gonna check them. They bright orange like we want them to be. You don't want to overcook them because then they'll be tough. So, and check the meat. So we're gonna say about another 3 to 5 minutes. Then you can take them out because you don't want to dry them out. Our lobster tails are done, so we're just gonna take them out of the oven. They are bright orange. They look really good. So there you have it. Oven baked lobster tails. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my oven lobster tail recipe. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.